pouco mais de UCF, aqui dá pra ver um pouco mais dos prédios também. Bandeira dos Estados Unidos, lógico. É muito lindo aqui. Tá quente, né? Olha lá.
Well, we go back home. I'm changing into shorts and t-shirt and tennis shoes. So it's okay if I just do it. Yes. What is it's before like a
So
football
hot.
game, we all get together and it's like a party on the field, like drink and eat. I don't know if they actually use trucks here, but like at professional football games, you get everybody that has trucks and you put the tailgate down on every chill and they have beer there in the truck at the beds of the trucks and stuff. It's fun. Everybody gets wasted before the game, basically.
I'm recording everything you're saying, Brittany.
Okay, good.
I'm burning up.
Oh my god, I know. We're almost there. I'll drive around this way so you can see that.
Okay. It was worth it.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to see the campus.